Let me share with you how to make that incredibly fragrant and spicy squid you always find at street food stores. The kind that is so delicious and has no unwanted taste at all. The method is actually quite simple and you can easily land it right here. We begin with about 400 grams of fresh squid tentacles. The most important first step is to blanch them properly to ensure a clean flavor and a tender texture. Bring a large pot of water to a full rolling boil. Carefully add the squid tentacles to the boiling water to remove any strong smells. Add a few slices of ginger and a very generous tablespoon of cooking oil. Let it cook for exactly 1 minute. Then remove the squid and drain the water. Place the wok or a large pan over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of chopped buds and chilies. Stir them gently until they release a warm, fragrant aroma. Add the blanched squid tentacles to the wok. The sizzle as it hits the hot oil is the sound of flavor building. Now for the main flavors, add half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, another tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of black wine sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Toast everything together quickly over high heat so the squid evenly soaks up all the savory goodness. Add 1 handful of sliced onion and 1 handful of sliced green bell pepper to the wok. These vegetables will add a sweet crunch and fresh color to the dish. Keep the heat on high and stir fry everything together. You only need to cook until the onions and peppers become slightly softer but still have a nice crispness to them. Turn off the heat. To finish, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds and a full tablespoon of cumin powder over the dish. The cumin gives it that classic smoky street food flavor. Give everything a finer, gentle toast to combine. You are now left with a plate of squid that is wonderfully spicy, deeply savory, and incredibly moorish. It is the kind of dish that makes it very difficult to put your chopsticks down.